Hello everybody and welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a dress pattern using a t-shirt. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down here and also hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. Now let's begin. First thing you want to do is get a t-shirt that fits you really well. So this t-shirt is a loose fitting t-shirt. So the dress is going to be a looser fit. So if you want a tighter dress, you're going to use a tight shirt. As you can see here, the neckline has a neckband. So I am going to trace below the neckband. And then I'm just going to make dots on all the points of the t-shirt. I will be using the same pattern for the front and the back of the dress, so I'm only going to trace one, but feel free to trace a separate back panel if you like to do that extra step. Placing the measuring tape right here on the very top of the dress or the neckline, I am going to extend it all the way down. Of course, the measurement is going to vary. If you want a longer dress, you can go as long as you want. Mine is 42 inches long. But if you want to do a maxi, like a floor length, you're gonna go a little bit longer than that. And if you want a shorter dress, that's totally up to you too. So basically, the length of the dress is totally up to you. As you can see here, I am kind of flaring the bottom of the dress. Then at the end here, it should angle about 45 degrees. Now it's time to connect all the dots and the lines that I made earlier. If you want to alter the neckline, it's totally up to you. You can do a V-neck, but that will be a separate tutorial. Also going to trace the sleeve pattern. Also, if you want to extend it, it's totally up to you. I ended up extending it about 3/4 length. Here I am just making the marks a little visible by using a marker. I'm also going to label like the fold. By the way, if you want to, you can add the seam allowances right now on the pattern, or you can add it on the fabric later on. So I decided to just add it on the fabric. I suggest you add at least 1/2 inch seam allowances on all the raw edges. To check if your sleeve is going to fit in the arm side, you can measure it like this, and if it's perfect fit, you are good to go. If you want to see the full tutorial of how I made this beautiful dress, go ahead and check out the link at the end screen or in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every week. Plus, hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new sewing project. Until then, I will see you soon. Bye!